Parkour. Ooh. I don't know where to park it, but try right here. Here, get the bike inspected. Hello! Oh, you thought I wasn't gonna do it. Well, welcome back to the Gold Guy YouTube channel. And welcome back to my 1974 Honda MT250 Elsinore restoration. Man, this thing is like 99% complete. Only a couple things left to do. One major thing left to do, a kind of illegal thing, is to get this bike inspected. So that's what this video is all about. But before I do that, I've got to make sure this thing passes because I don't want to have to take it again. So what I've got are some new taillight bulbs I'm going to try out. I don't know if these will work because they are 6.4/7 volts. The problem I have with the taillight bulb in there now is that it doesn't have a running light. It only has a brake light. I'm pretty sure you need a running light to be legal. And then one other thing is to put a new rectifier that I got into it because the battery's not charging right now because I kind of blew up the rectifier in the last video over all this stuff. Oh, definitely check that video out. Let's get right into this. We got stuff to do today. All right, let's get these opened up. Now it's the same size bulb, but will it work? I don't know. Let's find out. Pretty easy to change the bulb in here. All you gotta do, pop out these two screws in the housing. This is the bulb that came in it, and it's so weird because it looks like it has like a second set of posts for a running light, but there's no filament in between. Let's try this new bulb in there. This one is a 16.8/5 watt, 5 watts for the running light, 16 watts for the brake light. That other one was only a 10 watt/3 watt. So this should be a lot brighter too. Let's see. Oh, it's working. See if the brake light lights up. Yep. But the problem, bright light is on now and it's supposed to be the other way around. Maybe I can fix that just by flipping the wires around. I don't know. Alright, it's all flipped. Let's see now. Nice. That's what I wanted. Perfect. I think the battery's actually starting to die because I noticed the lights are getting very dim. So I'm gonna pop the new regulator in and then I'm gonna have to charge it up real quick, I guess. Don't want this thing to be, battery to be dead, none of the lights work when I go to get it inspected. That would suck. Okay, new rectifier, regulator combo. Here we go. This is where it plugs in at. Really couldn't. Here is the new rectifier. And this one has the same problem the other one did. That it's supposed to have a male connector on it. This one I had to solder on there. And they come with a female connector for some reason. I think it's made for a different bike. But it's the same dang thing, so let's just do the same thing over again here. Alright, let's get her on the bike. shorted out like last time. Let's turn on the key. I'm not gonna hold it though. Okay, I think we're good here. Now I'll just have to test it and see if the battery is actually charging up. All right, bike's outside. Gas is on, choke is on, key is on, and we're looking good here. Start it up. Looks like all my lights are working. Yep. Test the horn. All right. I mean, for me, it passes inspection, but we'll see what the boss man says. All right. Let's check the voltage. See if it's charging. Please be charging. Okay. Yep, we're charging. Anything above 6 means I'm charging. All right, guys. So, I do have one small errand to run before I hit the inspection shop. Got a CB750 timing cover that I sold on eBay. Got to drop that off. Drop off quick package. Get this stuff done. Nice to have a key now. I had to actually wire my backpack together because this obviously didn't fit that great in there. Hi, just dropping off package.
Okay, you don't need a receipt?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Have a good weekend. All right, with that done, now we got one more stop. That's that one kicker, baby. When she's warmed up, of course. Still a little bit of carburetor tuning to do on this thing. I'm not gonna lie. You really got to get some seat time in to figure out what you got to do with the carb. So here we go. Not gonna lie, guys, it's feeling so cool to actually be out like running errands on this bike, riding around. I just love vintage bikes. There's nothing, you just can't get this feeling with a new bike. Not at all. It's just so cool, and the community is awesome. Man, I love it. Gotta go that way for the inspection shop, but first we gotta hit the post office right up here and drop off some CB500 engine connecting rods. I've been doing a lot of eBay selling lately. Still not quite enough to pay the bills, but it's getting close, so that's good. Really trying to up my business so I can be my own boss someday. That's my goal. All right, second stop, post office. I never go all the way around. I just do that. Excuse me, I just need to set this down. Just dropping that off. Thank you. All right, here we go. Parkour. Ooh. You know what? Let's keep the parkour montage going. I think I can get up this wall. Try it real quick. Oh. I almost did not make that, but I made it. Okay, third stop, inspection. All right, we made it. Cool Valley Cycles. I don't know where to park it, but try right here. Hi. Good, how you doing? Here, get the bike inspected.
I'm a customer.
Oh, okay.
That's an old Honda.
It is. 1974. I just finished restoring it. Thank you. Still got a little touch up to do, but you always get a few nicks here and there during assembly and stuff.
Now that's a 2-cycle?
Yeah, 250.
They had all, I didn't think they... See, I used to ride back in the 70s. 74 is when I stopped riding.
Okay.
But they were all 4-stroke.
They did start. Yeah, they started with making the XL 500s. Those are 4-stroke. But
I mean, they were all 4-stroke like in the early 70s.
Really?
Buddies of mine had 250s.
Yeah.
And they were 4. Hey, Brian, I'll come get that box on the top. Yeah. Is everything in it? I believe it. Yeah. It was sitting over here last time I saw it. Did you guys ever do anything with that harness? No.
You had time for a quick inspection?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to call a little bit ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, give me 1 minute.
All right.
How long you had this?
About a year now, or probably about 8 months, but I just finished working on it probably about a week ago.
Nice.
Thank you. The key's down there. Oh. But it's got to be running for the lights, so you probably know. It's a 6-volt. That's the headlight switch.
Okay. Okay, start it on.
Yep. You want me to start it, or?
Yeah, if you want. Just check the brake light. And hit that brake, the rear brake over there. Yep. All right. Looks good.
Thank you. Woo! Hell yeah! Got it inspected. It passed. I got some compliments on the bike. Man, I'm feeling good. This is what it's all about right here, baby. Woo! I don't know how much battery I got left on here. Camera is like about to die, but this bike is fully legal now. I can ride around, do whatever I want, and I don't have to worry about getting busted by the law. So that's a good feeling. Boom! I got the bike inspected and it passed. That was awesome. This was definitely a little bit different video of what I normally do. Like normally I wouldn't have even filmed that stuff, but hey, if you guys enjoyed that video, if you like this kind of, you know, outside of the shop stuff, then definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I have fun making this stuff and it's really cool talking to people about my bike. I was thinking about taking this bike out to a car show nearby, a car/bike show, see what people think about it, maybe even find a buyer, because I do want to sell this thing. So if you want to see that, then let me know down in the comments. But if you enjoyed this, please hit that like button. It helps a lot with the algorithms and getting my channel across to more viewers. Also, if you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next upload. And that's going to be about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Leo.